In this lesson, let us try to learn how to use the erase command. That is how to delete. Now I have got the erase command right up over here. You can see it as a rubber. It is inside this modify panel of the ribbon. Now I have got three pictures right in front of me. What can I do is I can just go and click this picture, and then I just go and click on this rubber. See here, it is gone. Okay, I will undo it. Then again I will show you another way. Let us say, what can I do? First I can go and select my erase command. Then it says select objects. I will go and select 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, then press enter. See, the objects are gone. This is another way of removing the unnecessary and unwanted lines. I will undo it. Okay, there is one more way of doing the selection. Let us say I don't want the whole thing, so I need not have to go and click on this one and select each and every line. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, like this. It takes a lot of time. I will escape. Press the escape key. There is another way. See, click on this command, the erase command. Just go here, click your mouse button, just drag it like this. See here, when I am dragging, what is happening? So all are becoming gray, means now I will click. The moment I click and then enter, everything is gone. So group deleting, understand? We can delete many number of lines in a group. So how did I do it? Let me do it on the circle. I will go and select the erase command. It says select objects. The cursor has changed. Now I will start here. See, if I am touching this circle, is anything happening? Nothing is happening. I have to complete the whole circle. Okay, click now. Now see, it became gray. The moment I press enter, it is gone. Again I will undo it. So here, if I am selecting from where? From left top, and if I am coming towards right side like this, then I have to select the whole object, then only it can be deleted. Okay, let me escape, but let me do the reverse. Now see here, I will go and select rubber, erase command. I will go on the right side. I will just click here. I have clicked my left mouse button and I am just moving it, dragging it. See here, the moment I touch the line, it is already selected. Okay, so if you are going from right side to left side, see here, again I will select right side to left side. I am going. The moment I am touching the line, see, the moment I touch the line, it is selected. The moment I touch this inclined line, it is selected. The moment I touch this line, it is selected. No need to complete the whole stuff. If I just touch the object, that's enough. Whereas if I am coming, again, see here, if I am coming from here towards right side down, see, I have to select whole thing. If I don't select the whole thing, see here, the lines are not completely, though I have covered some of the lines, but they are still dark. They are not selected because the whole line is not selected. So I have to do the whole stuff like this. Click and enter. Okay. So this is the way the erase command works. Whatever extra and unwanted lines and objects are there, that we can remove, and sometimes we may have to delete to redo the drawing because the design has changed. For all this purpose, erase command is a very useful command. It is present in modify panel of our ribbon. Thank you for watching this video.